Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sinta Sharafi. My NPM number is 1923010. Here I will explain about the material, multilingualism, and language choice. 1. Vitality. Language vitality is demonstrated by the extent that the language is used as a means of communication in various social contexts for specific purpose. The most significant indicator of a language vitality is daily use in the home. The meaning is the use of language according to their respective goal. For example, when we are in a Japanese environment, we must use Japanese meaning the board understand the purpose being discussed. 2. Diaclosia. The coincidence of the various of the same language throughout a speech communicated. Often one form is the literary or prestige dialect, and the other is common dialect spoken by most of the population. The point is that each population has two language variations. For example, in Indonesia, when Medanese meet Javanese, he will use Indonesian, and when a field person meets a field person, then he will use the field language. So that language is used according to its function. And 3. High or low variety. High variety come to mean the more formal of the two languages being used. Low variety, on the other hand, is acquired in the home and used in more informal space to communicate with family and friends. Example, I use Indonesian language. Ketika bicara dengan seorang yang usianya jauh lebih tua dari kita, maka bahasanya itu lebih tinggi atau formal. Misalnya ketika kita menanyakan benda kepada orang tua kita, "Ma, apa mama lihat guntingku? Tadi aku meletakkannya di sini," gitu ya. Dan berbeda dengan bicara kepada teman, "Lu lihat gunting gue enggak?" Maka bahasa yang digunakan jauh lebih rendah atau low variety. And next material is code switching. Is the practice of moving back and forth between two languages or between two dialects or registers of the same language at one time. Code switching occurs more often in conversation than in writing. It is also called code mixing and style shifting. And contohnya ketika kita menjawab iya bisa dengan kode itu artinya iya, hanya ada dalam percakapan dan tidak ada dalam tulisan. Next, 5. Code mixing is the other phenomenon closely related to code switching. It usually occurs with conversants use both languages together. Switch between two languages to the extent that they change from one tongue to the other in the course of single utterance. Maksudnya adalah ketika kita bicara bahasa Indonesia seringkali dicampur dengan bahasa Jawa. Misalnya kita nggak jadi ya pergi ke pasar hari ini, maka temannya menjawab ya wes lah. Nah, ya wes lah itu artinya bahasa Jawa, maka di saat itu mereka menggunakan dua bahasa dalam satu waktu, bahasa Jawa dan Indonesia. And the last, speech level. The meaning of speech level here is different in how one talks to other people, how to speak in a certain condition. For example, the difference in the way a person talks to his friend and his parents, starting from the tone and voice, choice of word and body language. Maksudnya adalah kita bicara dengan orang tua, maka bicara nada lembut dan sopan. Berbeda dengan teman sebaya, nada bicara kita dengan kasar dan asal bicara atau blak-blakan. Okay, I think that enough. May explain. I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.